Hi. Good to see you. I have a different puzzle today for us to do together. Let's have fun as learn some numbers. Let's get number 1 piece. 1. Next let's get number 2. 2. After 2 we have number 3. 3. Do you see number 4? Here it is, thank you. 4. We should find number 5 piece now. 5. After number 5 comes number 6. 6. Then we have number 7. 7. Next let's find number 8. 8. After 8 we have number 9. 9. As the last one is number 10. 10. We made a bus. Let's say the numbers one more time. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good job. See you next time.